Think about your favorite childhood memory, maybe a birthday, a summer afternoon, a conversation you'll never forget. Now imagine it's completely wrong. Not partly wrong, completely wrong. Because your memory isn't a recording, it's a reconstruction. And every time you remember something, every memory is built from fragments, tiny pieces stored across your brain. And no fragment is perfect. Some details fade with time. Others are replaced entirely, and your brain fills in the gaps, not with facts, but with guesses, educated guesses. And most of the time, you never notice the difference. But what if the memory never happened at all? What if it was completely invented? That sounds impossible, but scientists have done exactly that. In the 1990s, psychologist Elizabeth Loftus conducted a series of experiments. She wanted to know something disturbing. Could a completely false memory be planted inside someone's mind? The answer was yes. Loftus asked participants about events from their childhood. Most of the stories were real, but one story was different. It never happened. Participants were told that, as children, they had been lost inside a shopping mall. The event was completely fictional, yet something strange happened. Many participants started remembering it in vivid detail. They remembered the stores, the people, the sounds. Some even remembered feeling afraid. The problem was, none of it was real. Their brains had created it from almost nothing. And this wasn't the only experiment. Scientists kept finding the same thing. In another study, participants were shown photographs. Some were real, some were edited. One showed participants riding in a hot air balloon. The photo looked convincing, but it was fake. Yet many participants remembered the event. They described details that never existed. Their minds filled in the rest. This is sometimes called the Mandela Effect. Large groups of people remember things that never happened, not because they're stupid, but because memory was never designed to be perfect. It was designed to be useful, and those are very different things. Which leads to a strange question. If your memories can change, can you trust them at all? And if you can't trust your memories, then what exactly are you? Most people think their identity is fixed, but identity is built from memory, and memory changes every year. Every time you remember something, the story changes a little. Maybe memory was never designed to preserve the past. Maybe it was designed to help us survive the future. And perhaps the strangest thing of all, the story you call your life may be rewritten every time you remember it.